Established in 1976, Calder Security Limited is an independent security organisation specialising in the very specific and challenging field of property security. The company has gained an enviable reputation in providing security solutions to individuals, commercial organisations and institutions. Calder Security provides a full consultancy service, from design through to installation. Their wealth of experience allows them to find a solution to most security problems, no matter how large or small the project may be. Calder Security Limited has a wide range of electronic security products and solutions available to protect your premises, valuables and home. CCTV is becoming successfully utilised by an increasing number of companies. Systems can be from simple single camera systems to large multiplex video recording. Calder Security installs intruder alarm systems from a single domestic intruder alarm up to the large multi-zoned, multi-level, fully integrated systems. Calder Security Limited is well placed to provide a solution to all your security needs.